Hello, I'm Sapna Bakshi, Principal of Baroda High School, Danteshwar English Medium, morning and afternoon shift. Today we are having the TFJ Fest in our school and the entire campus is buzzing with excitement. The children who have participated throughout the year in various Tod-Fod-Jod activities, I would say the TFJ Fest is the culmination of all these activities. So today we will be having various innovative activities planned like the Reels, Quiz, Socho Hakke, Treasure Hunt, and also an award ceremony has been planned to felicitate the efforts of our students. We are extremely grateful to Vadodara Innovation Council for planning their Tod-Fod-Jod weekly program in our school. The children have got an exposure in assembling, disassembling and reassembling various gadgets like the microscope, the remote controlled car, smartphone and many more. This has really helped in fostering the critical thinking skills and the problem solving activities. Now my students are more confident in making and presenting various science projects. We have won many awards in inter-school competitions and also in competitions organized by the government even at the district level. So once again, thank you to the entire team of VIC and we look forward to many more interesting programs in the next academic year. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Devdatta. I am the principal of Baroda High School, Alkapuri, afternoon shift, pre-primary and primary section. First of all, a warm greetings to all my students, those who are involved in this program TFJ, that is Tod-Fod-Jod, and we are really happy and we are really privileged to have the such kind of programs in our school where our students are getting enough opportunities, exposure with different gadgets throughout the year. Selected students, they get this opportunity and every week, almost every week, the program is scheduled and facilitator is very friendly and very involved in the entire session. Thanks to Vadodara Innovation Council for taking such initiatives and the most importantly to keep going with such initiatives is really praiseworthy. So we are really honored to work under BLCET, that is Vadodara Lions Club Education Trust, who the trust is always supporting us in such ventures, taking initiatives and giving us liberty, giving us freedom to excel more and more. And our students are also very happy and they get involved. They come with full enthusiasm and they enjoy all the sessions. So this academic year 2024-25, we have completed all 12 sessions, 10 gadgets plus 1 introductory session and 1 concluding session. So this academic year successfully we have completed like other academic years and looking forward to have more in future. Thank you so very much.
I am Vikrant Musale, Principal Baroda High School, Alkapuri, KG and Primary, morning shift. The TFJ program, which is being introduced in all the BHS schools, is a wonderful joint effort of VIC and Baroda Lions Education Trust. The TFJ program has been an insightful and engaging experience for all my students. It is effectively blending the curiosity, hands-on learning and exploration. The structured approach of opening, exploring and reassembling the devices gives a deep understanding to the students how the components or the things work together And this is a wonderful way of what we call as a practical approach of learning. The TFJ program, I find, is a well designed initiative which is effectively bridging the gap between theoretical learning and practical applications. It is not only giving the knowledge about the technical proficiency, but also nurturing an inquisitive mindset. This program has a potential to do lot more by introducing new gadgets. I am thankful to the program director of VIC, Ashish Bharat Bhavsar, Jagdish Shukla sir, and all the team members of VIC for introducing such a wonderful program across all BHS schools. I am also thankful to Purvi madam and all my school teachers for their contribution in TFJ. I am looking forward for more innovation through exploration. My best wishes with the entire team of TFJ and VIC. Thank you.
Hello, my name is JP Joshi. I'm Baroda High School afternoon principal. So we have a program Tod-Fod-Jod initiated by Baroda Innovation Council, and we are running it since last 3-4 years. And it's a very good program whereby students get chance to see a lot of gadgets, and they are able to check what are the different properties, principle behind the working of those projects. So it's great way by which the students learn a lot, because normally in theory they learn about all these gadgets, but when it comes to practical, there is no such organization like Baroda Innovation Council who is coming with such type of program. So it's a wonderful opportunity for the students. We are thankful for the Baroda Innovation Council, to our trustees, to the management, to give such opportunities. The facilitator which are coming, they are also well trained, and they help a lot with to the students. Our teachers also are doing a great job, and we schedule this every Thursday for 2 hours, and it's a whole yearly program whereby around 10 to 15 gadgets are being shown. And we have seen a lot of improvement in children, especially the children, those who are not maybe very good in terms of knowing theory, but when they do these practicals or see these things in real, they understand a lot. And they're very participate, they always come forward and participate as much as possible. And we do it with 8th standard, so that the children are able to understand better. So again, I thank all those who are involved, the Baroda Innovation Council, our management, facilitator, our teacher and students for such a good program altogether. Thank you.